Well, this is a pretty big unboxing for you today, folks. We're looking at the DeWalt 20 volt string trimmer brushless handheld blower combo kit. So you get both your weed whacker and your blower. It also includes this 4 amp battery with a charger all in one. Unfortunately, I had to replace some tools because they got stolen. If you want, you can watch that video where I show my tool shed, how it got broken into, and what I did to improve it to make sure this doesn't happen again. But I had to replace my tools, and so that's why I bought this combo kit. So let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. Okay, there's a lot of cardboard in here, so let's take that out first. First thing we see, two things. Go ahead. So this trimmer looks like it's 2 parts. So it connects. Oh, that's cool. This definitely wasn't like the other one I had before. But I like that it's compact that way. Let me see if I can figure out how. Here it goes that way. So basically what you have to do is you press this button, it goes down, and then it's going to lock into that hole. If I can find the hole. Can you find the hole? Almost there. There we go. Okay, so let me show you the hedge trimmer on this end. So already got a spool in it, which is nice. I wonder if it's full, or if they do it like printers, where they give you like 2/3. You know what? I'm so curious. I need to find out right now. Do they do it like the printers? These things always have a hard time getting off. I've never ever had luck with them. Even though it looks like it's supposed to be easy, it's like you gotta pull it and then pull up. I don't know if I'm gonna get any luck here. That's locked. Let me see. There we go. Okay, so it does look like it has pretty decent mount. Oh, I hope I didn't ruin it. It's still there. These things are always tricky, folks. If you experience trouble with them, please leave it in the comment so I know I'm not the only one that struggles with these string trimmers and getting it perfect. Because when you got 2 of them, man, you're cooking, especially if you get like the right length and it keeps out coming automatically every time you hit this down and additional comes out, man, you can just be cooking. One thing is, if you want to replace this, you're going to want to watch another video where I talk about if you don't like actually winding up this stuff, you can buy a kit where you can just retrofit it right on top of this and you don't have to worry about it. And I will show that in a different video. But the string trimmer, pretty simple, pretty basic. Doesn't seem very fancy at all. I wonder if there's got to be a handle somewhere. It's missing something. That's the handle. So that's going to be inside this box. This is the blower, or at least a piece of it. There's that end, XR brushless. Nice. Got the charger here. This is a different type of battery. I haven't tried this battery, but this looks like a very standard charger. Let's take a look at this battery. Four amps. So it's not as big as the flex volt ones, but it's kind of like right in the middle. And it's good enough for this trimmer and blower, which is pretty much what most people would need it. You know, those big heavy duty flex volt ones, those are for like heavy duty tools, which I happen to have, but it's not really for everyone. It's nice that they make something down the middle. Yeah, let's take a look at this blower. It's different from the one I have. Okay, wow, definitely a very different look to it. Let's put this on so I can actually like visualize what this looks like. Does it have a certain way it needs to go on? Of course, you know, like most guys, I don't read the instructions, I just start playing around with stuff. How hard could it be, right? There you go. Nice handheld blower. Good size. I bet you this blows. Dad joke for you there. And here, this is cool. If you don't want to just hold it on, you just want to go and just go nuts without having to like keep that grip. You can just keep it on and blow to your heart's desire. This is nice. I like it. And it's cool that it only does one of these 4-amp batteries, so it's not as heavy, because I used to use the Flex Volt, but maybe for extended blow sessions, you wouldn't have to. Oh, this one's got the indicator as well. Let me just take a look, see if there's any power. Oops. Oh, sorry you go. Almost lost you, folks. The blower fell. There she blows. Let me get back up and running here. Okay, so again, we got the blower, the string combo, and here is that handle. I'll have to put this on. Looks like it's going to take a little bit of work. You can use an Allen key to get it back on, to get it on. But that's about it. Nice little kit. Oh, what's this? What is down here? Let's take a look. This looks like a cover. Oh, I wonder if this is for the trimmer or not. It's definitely for the trimmer. It's a little cover. Guess I'm reading the manual. Make sure I get this on properly. Anyways, folks, that concludes this unboxing for this combo kit. So if you do need to get a blower and a string trimmer, this is what you want. This kit right here. String trimmer, blower, brushless combo kit. Comes with the battery charger, the battery, and the 2 tools. Something I needed. Could have done without the batteries, but I like the fact that I have one of these batteries now. For certain jobs and certain tools, don't have to pull out the big daddies. Keep those for just the big tools. Anyways, folks, I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy. Make sure you like and subscribe. I've done a whole series of unboxing of new DeWalt tools because what happened to my tool shed, and you can watch that tool shed and how I repaired it also on my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe because Handy Andy's got his tools back. You know, that's like getting your mojo back. So you want to see what I'm up to in the world of DIYs. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.